my channel. So today again I am going to continue with this thermal load schedule. So you can see in the last tutorials I had explained the for two offices for the two space, which is technical manager and secretary and filing room. So today I am going to continue with this same tutorial. So before I start this video, I would like to request you all guys, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribing and please like and share my video. So let us start now. So in the last tutorials I have done until this filing room and secretary. So today I am going to continue with this production in charge. So let us open this Excel sheet, which is for thermal schedule. So this is your unit reference. So ground floor FCU is nothing but the fan coil unit. 003 is the number, and this is chill water system. So just select here chill water system, fan coil unit. Okay, so fan coil unit, and space name is production in charge office. So production in charge, just enter here. Production in charge. Number of people you have to open the furniture layout, so you can get it here, the number of people from furniture layout. So here is the furniture layout for this project. So from here you have to count the number of chairs. So you can see here the two chairs and here is two. So total number of people will be four number here. So just enter the year four and that area. So area you have to just open this tonnage calculation sheet. So in this from this sheet you can find the area. So here the production in charge office, and the area for this office is 22.62. Okay, so here 22.62, and number of people, sorry, here is the number of people, which is 4, and number of typical floor, see one, this will be only one. Okay, so here is the occupant density is already calculated by this Excel, and here is the outer air, which will be calculated later. We have to, outer air is nothing but the fresh air. Okay, so here is the cooling load, calculated load and first selection. So calculated load you can found from, actually this calculated load is taken from the HAP generated report, output report. Okay, but here we did the calculation based on calculation by using thumb rule. So from the thumb rule you just take the total kilowatt, because sensible is we didn't calculate it by thumb rule. So if you do the calculation and generate the output report in the app, you will get it total kilowatt and sensible kilowatt as well as flow rate. So just enter this one, total kilowatt. So in the total kilowatt for the production in charge office is, you can see here, the 2.5 ton, which is equivalent to 2.5 one ton is equal to 3.51 kilowatt, which is equal to 8.8. Okay, 8.77 is equivalent to 8.8. Okay, and total airflow rate, so airflow rate is 1000 cfm, 1000 cfm, but here is it is asking in liter per second. So just convert cfm into liter per second, just divide by 2.119. So 471.9, which is equal to 472. Okay, so 472 liter per second. Okay, and then first selection. So selection you have to select, this is your calculated, then selection will be based on this airflow. So 472, look for the 472 liter per second here. This is the catalog for chilled water system from SKM. So let us look for this liter per second. Okay, So our liter per second is 472, which is calculated. Okay. So here 472 is available here. So just highlight this one 472. Okay. So in the 472, you can see the total capacity in kilowatt for 3 rows machine is equal to 8.7. Okay. Sorry. 8.7 is the sensible and sorry total, and 6.3 is the sensible. Okay, so here you have to enter the number of quantity of machine is 1. 8.7 kilowatt is the total and 6.3 is the sensible kilowatt, and airflow is same 472. Okay, and this will be the power supply. The second selection is not required, so I am going to hide this complete section. Okay, let us select and hide it. Okay, and okay, so here is the power supply for the indoor unit. Outdoor is not applicable because we have to select the chiller, so all the machine is same power supply. So let us copy this value in all the rows. Okay, similarly just save it. Okay, and then go move to the next space, which is HR office. So go to the HR office here, ground floor. Okay, ground floor, fan coil unit 004, chilled water system. Here is a fan coil unit and HR office. HR office. Number of typical floor is 1. So because this all will be 1, because the floor is only one floor. Two floor is there, but we are doing for the one floor. Okay, there is a second floor is not typical. So the typical floor will be only one. Total area for this HR office you can found it from here. So total area is 40 square meter. Okay, so area will be 40 square meter. Number of people you can found from this furniture layout. So you can see here how, just count the number of chairs. So here will be 3, 3, 6 to 8. So total number of people will be 8 numbers. Okay. Now here is the calculated load. So calculated load you can found from this Excel sheet, which is 2.5 ton. Production in charge office, HR office is 5 ton. Okay, so move to this sheet and just convert the tonnage into kilowatt. So 1 ton is equal to 3.51 kilowatts. So I am getting here, just multiply 5 into 3.51, so it will be 17.55 kilowatt. 17.55 kilowatt. Okay, and airflow will be 2000 CFM. So just convert this CFM into liter per second. So 2000 divided by 2.119. I am getting here 943.8, which is equivalent to 944. 944 liter per second. And number of machine I am going to select one. Okay, and then the selection you can open this catalog, which is a 944 is here available. Okay, so we required 944. Okay, it's fine. So total kilowatt is 17.4 and sensible is 12.6. Okay, so 17.4 total capacity 17.4 and sensible is 12.6. Okay, and liter per second is 944. It will be same. So next space is security. So for security we have to give from the same machine. So let us add these two and calculate it. So what I'm going to do, I am going to check here for the security in HR office. So it will be 6 ton and 2400 CFM. Okay, so what I am going to do, and number of people you have to look for this security, two people add, you have to add two people. So here is total people will be 10. Okay, and a kilowatt will be 6 ton. 6 ton into 3.51, which will be 21.6. Here is 21.6. For both spaces I am going to select one machine only. Okay, and total area, so area, what you will do, you have to add this area, so 48.91. Okay, so here will be floor area will be 48.91. Okay, and then you can add the airflow as well, which is around 22,400 cfm. Okay, so 2400 divided by 2.119, which is equal to 1132 liter per second. Okay, so I think here is the maximum available is 944, 2000 cfm maximum available machine. So we have to select the two machine because the maximum available 10 is 2000 cfm only. So what I am going to do, let us keep as it is. Okay, and we have to select another machine for this security office. So you can go for ground floor. Okay, and fan coil unit is 005. Here is the chilled water system and fan coil unit. Select the fan coil unit and security space is security. Okay, and area is you have to check the area from here, which is equivalent to 8.91. Okay, 8.91 square meter. Number of people will be 2 and liter per second is 400 cfm. 400 divided by 2.119, which is equal to 189 liter per second. Okay, and here is sorry, here is 400 is nothing but 1 ton 3.5 kilowatt, 3.51 kilowatt, and here is 189 liter per second. Okay, number of machine, I'm going to select one machine. Okay, and I just check for 189. So here is 189 available already. So total tonnage is 3.9 kilowatt and sensible is 2.7. So here will be 3.9, sensible is 2.7, liter per second is 189. Okay. So similarly, we have to calculate for the other spaces. Okay. So for the reception, I'm going to do this. This will be the last. Okay, I'm going to do the last. Then we will move for the next spaces. We should do actually for all the spaces. Okay. So reception. Go for the reception. Okay. So reception is at ground floor and fan coil unit, which is 006. System is chill water and type of machine is fan coil unit. Then here is reception. So for the reception, the area will be, just check here, the area will be 39.22. For reception, the area will be 39.22. Number of people, so look for this furniture layout. So you can see here in the reception how many seats, how many chairs are there. So you can 3 to 5, 5, 10, and 11. So 11 people can sit here. Number of people will be 11. Okay, and then the calculated tonnage. So calculated tonnage, you can look for this 3.9, which is equivalent to 4 ton. 3.92 into 3.51, which is 13.72 kilowatt. So 13.72 is the calculated kilowatt, and liter per second is 2000 CFM. So 944 liter per second it will be. Okay, and number of machine is 1. And for 944 you can see here the 17.4 kilowatt. Okay, total, and sensible will be 12.6, and airflow will be 944. Similarly, the next space is meeting room. So ground floor fan coil unit 007, and the type of system is chilled water system. Machine is fan coil unit, and here is the meeting room. Meeting room. Okay, so total area for this meeting room is, you can check from this one, 49.88, and tonnage is 5 ton. Okay, so 49.88 square meter, and number of people you can check from this furniture layout. So you have to just count the number of chair. I think it is 6 6 12 14. So total people will be 14. Okay, and kilowatt is 5 ton. So 5 into 3.51, which is 17.55. 17.55. Okay, calculated load, and the airflow will be 2000 CFM. 2000 CFM, which is equivalent to 944 liter per second. Okay, so I'm going to select one machine here, and 17.4 kilowatt is the total, and sensible is 12.6, 944. Similarly, go for the next space, which is sales department and technical department. So here is ground floor fan coil unit 008, ground floor fan coil unit, then 009. Here select the chill water system. Okay, then here is also chill water system. Here is also chill water system, and here is fan coil unit. Okay, here is also fan coil unit. And then next space is, let me open this one, sales department and technical department. Okay, so just write it here, sales department, and here is technical department. Okay, so number of typical floor is 1, number of area, so area you have to check from here. Sales department is 26.1, 40.6. So here is 26.1, 40.6. Okay, number of people you can check this furniture layout. So here is 5 chair, and here 336. So total here is number of people is 5, here it will be 6. Okay, and then calculated load is, you can check from here, 2.6 and 4. So 2.6 is equivalent to 2.6 into 3.51, 9.12. Here is 9.12, and here is 4 ton, sorry, 4 ton. Okay, so 4.06 into 3.51, 14.12, 14.12, and airflow will be 1200 and 1600. Okay, so 1200 you have to convert into liter per second, divided by 2.119, 566. Okay, so here is 566 liter per second, and 1600 for the next office. 1600 divided by 2.119, which is 755 liter per second. Okay, so move to the selection. So I'm going to select one machine. Okay, so here is 566. So here is already available. So 10.8. So 10.8 sensible and 8.2 is, sorry, 10.8 is total kilowatt and sensible will be 8.2 and 566 liter per second. Next is 755 liter per second. So you can found the 755, which is not available here. So higher available is 800 liter per second. So select this one. Okay, 800 liter per second. Sorry, here is 800. So total cooling load is 23.6 kilowatt, 23.6, and sensible will be 17.2. 17.2. Okay, so it's over. Next space is your planning and translator, that will be covered in the next tutorials. I will cover this because this video will be little bit lengthy, so I will cover these spaces in the next tutorial. So I hope you guys learn how to calculate the thermal load schedule as per the Dubai Municipality standard. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.